Reasons you should have an inspection on a newly built home. You finally found the perfect home. It's brand new, and everything is just how you wanted it. What could be wrong with it? While a newly built home may seem perfect, there could be underlying issues that you won't be able to see with the naked eye. In this video, we discuss some of the top reasons you should get a home inspection on a newly built home. Number 1. To ensure that the construction was done properly. When buying a new home, you want to be sure it was built properly. A home inspection will discover issues and you can discuss them with the builder. This will give you peace of mind knowing that your investment is safe and you're getting a quality product. Some home buyers and homeowners may consider it an unnecessary expense, but hiring a professional inspector to inspect your new construction is well worth the money and could save you costly repairs later on. Number 2. To detect any potential problems with the property. If you've just bought or are thinking of buying a brand new home, remember that construction problems can occur. It's a good idea to get a home inspection when you buy a new property. The inspector will check the home and look for potential problems with the property before you move in. Not all newly built homes have issues, but it's important to know if they do before buying. As with any investment, there are certain risks associated. Having a home inspection done on a new construction can give you an idea of what needs to be addressed and help you negotiate with the builder. If you're unsure where to start, hire a professional home inspector.